Ocean Cay. Very nice. It's where they do the captain's. Here's our decorations, as you can see. You notice that we have no fruit, but those are some big magnets on those. Yep. Like that. This will be our view for the next couple of days here at Ocean Cay. They had an emergency last night, and of course you'll probably see that in the vlog. The view you get from room 11003, 003. But yes, this is our view. And this, you know, if you're at the Ocean Cay, yeah, it's one of the reasons I picked it.
Hey guys, check out what was in our room when we got back today. It says Voyager Club, but we're not real sure how we got it.
Well, we are in the club, but...
We're in the club, but maybe not that hyped in the club, I didn't think. The jewelry store's not open yet. So. Oh, look at that.
That's looking down the promenade.
Yeah.
We just came from back in here, and that you're looking forward on the ship that way, okay? This is about midship here. Champagne bar. Champagne. I don't know what movie that is. Yeah, is this where that elevator is? Yeah, she was telling us. Oh, okay. This is the Edge Bar. I'll show you a little something. It's down there on the promenade, looking down, and then you got here, and then they got this. I'm sure if you get up there's another floor up there. I think we are on deck 6. So we just got here, Ocean Cay. You know, we had a big delay and stuff like that, so yeah, it's a little bit going on, not a whole lot. I mean, the pool area down here is pretty empty. Everyone, they just announced that you can go ashore, so yeah, we'll see here. So they're getting ready for dinner. This is the Marketplace buffet. They make the mozzarella, pizza station, cold cuts and cheese. All right, this is the Marketplace bar. It's kind of about mid of the whole this whole area right here. Music, give it all right here. Oh, really, I like their tree. Look at that. All down there. Oh, they're having bingo right there.
Oscar 73. Oscar 73. Oscar 73.
So far, the Brass Anchor pub has been our favorite. It's really, really nice. So they usually have live music and everything going on in here. It's really nice. Really nice. We're right here at the dance floor. And right here is the sushi bar. Yeah. Hello, hello. 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 How are y'all? Very good, very good. Is that okay?
I'm trying my best.
Here you go. Smile, man.
Hey, This is one single, one double. One single, one triple.
I can hear them now.
That's hers.
Cheers, man. All the best, you know.
I was on it last week. We got on this week. We got the 2 months. This is the mini cruise.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.